In this pencast, we're going to graph the inequalities y is less than or equal to 4 and x plus y is less than or equal to 5. Then we're going to shade the region where both inequalities are true. So we're first going to start by graphing our two lines. So we know for y is less than or equal to 4, we can graph that, and it will also be y equals 4 when we graph it. So that means we're going to have a horizontal line at y equals 4. Because for every value of x we put in, we will get 4 for y. And it's going to be a solid line because we have that equal to on our less than. For our x plus y is less than or equal to 5, we can write that as x plus y equals 5. And we can do this, we can graph this by just finding the x and y intercepts and connecting the two lines. So to find that, we would put in a 0 for y. First, we have x plus 0 equals 5. So x equals 5. So then we can write our x-intercept as a coordinate pair as 5, 0. We can do this for y and have 0 plus y equals 5 by plugging in a 0. For x, and we have y equals 5, and as an ordered pair, that's 0, 5. So if we plot these, and then we connect them with our solid line, this is also an equal to on our less than sign. We have our two lines. Now we need to shade the region where both inequalities are true. So inequalities tell us that they need to be less than or equal to. So we need to shade the regions where both lines will have the less than. So this means we need to shade this region. We can test this by, if we plug in 0, 0, we would have to our y is less than 4, we would have 0 is less than 4, which that checks. And if we plugged it into 0, 0 is less than 5, to our x plus y is less than 5, that 0 is less than 5. That checks. If we were to pick a point up here, like -2, 5, we would have, for our y is less than 4, we would have 5 is less than 4, which doesn't work, so we couldn't shade that region because it's not true for both. We could also pick a region out here, so we could pick 6, 1, and we would have y is less than 4, we would have 1 is less than 4, which that's right. But if we had 6 plus 1 is less than 5, we would have 7 is less than 5, and that's not right. So you can see that we have shaded the correct region.